Hi everybody, we are dealing with the chapter known as transportation in animals and plants. Transportation in animals and plants, and we are first seeing about transportation in animals. Transportation in animals. Here, the first organ, the main organ which pumps the blood to all our body is known as what? Heart. Heart is the main organ which pumps the blood to all the parts of our body. So here is the structure of heart, and we are going to see the function of the heart also. This is the structure of heart, and next we are going to see about the functioning of heart. So here you can see heart is having 4 chambers. Heart is having 4 chambers, and this 4 heart is having 4 chambers, and it is divided into right part and left part. So it is divided into right part and left part. So here the partition that divides the heart into 2 parts, right and left, is septum. So let us level it. So here you can see this one is left auricle or left atria. This is left atria, left atrium or left auricle, and this is going to be the left ventricle, and this is the partition which is dividing left and right part of the heart. This is the partition. Okay, this partition is known as septum. It is known as septum. So septum divides the heart into 2 parts, left part and right part. So again, here you can see we labeled it left atrium or left auricle and left ventricle. Now this side, this is going to be the right atrium. This is going to be right atrium, or right auricle. Okay, and this, so this is going to be our right ventricle. See here, auricles. Okay, auricles. Upper part is known as auricles. And the down part is known as ventricles. Okay, upper part auricles and the down part ventricles. So here you can see 4 chambers. What are those 4 chambers? Left auricle, left ventricle, and right auricle and right ventricle, and it is divided into right and left by the partition known as septum. This is septum. Okay, now here we can see valves also. These are valves. This valve, okay, valve is the structure which prevents the backflow of blood. It prevents the backflow of blood. So this valve is going to be bicuspid valve, and here this valve is going to be the tricuspid valve. Okay, bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve, and here we can see again one valve here and here valve. These 2 valves are known as, these two valves are going to be this valve and this valve, they are going to be the semilunar valve. They are semilunar valve. Why it is semilunar valve is because these valves are just like half moon. Okay, it is just like half moon. So it is semilunar valve. Which are semilunar valves? Here. Okay, we will be discussing at that time. I am going to explain all these things in detail. So the blood from the lung is picked up by the pulmonary vein. Picked up by the pulmonary vein. Blood from the heart is going to be picked up by the pulmonary vein, and it is transferred to the left auricle. Blood from the pulmonary vein, blood from the heart is picked up. Blood from the lungs are picked up by the pulmonary vein. These are pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins. Here you can see these are pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins. So blood from the lungs are picked up by the pulmonary veins, and it is transferred to the left auricle. Here you can see left auricle. Now this blood is going to be drained to the ventricle. Now this blood is going to be drained from the left auricle to the left ventricle. Okay, from the left ventricle the blood is going to be pumped up or transferred to the aorta. Okay, this is aorta. Okay, large size artery is aorta. Okay, now next, from the aorta the blood is going to be supplied to all the tissues in our body or all the organs of our body. Okay, so the blood that is coming from the lung and it is picked up by the pulmonary veins are rich in oxygen. This blood is rich in oxygen. Now this oxygenated blood is coming which side of our heart? It is left side. So this side, here you can easily understand, left side of our heart is having oxygen rich blood. So the blood rich in oxygen is carried from the lungs by the help of pulmonary veins, and it is drained into the left auricle. From the left auricle the blood is going to be taken up into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle the blood is going to be transferred into the aorta. From the aorta it is going to be supplied to all the body cells. Okay, now the body cells, they utilize what? Oxygen present in the blood. So from aorta the blood is supplied to all the part of our body, and the blood is having what? Rich in oxygen. So this oxygen is supplied to the body cells. Now the body cells, they are going to utilize that oxygen for what? Metabolic activity. All the metabolic activities. Now this oxygen is going to be utilized into the body. Now the blood will become what? Deficient in oxygen. That means the blood is now filled with carbon dioxide. The blood is rich in carbon dioxide. Now the carbon dioxide rich blood, the blood rich in carbon dioxide, again they are brought into the right atrium. They are brought into the right atrium by the superior vena cava. This is known as superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. Now, the superior vena cava collects the blood rich in carbon dioxide from the upper part of our body, and inferior vena cava they collect the blood from the lower part of our body, and this blood, the blood rich in carbon dioxide is going to be drained into the right atrium. Now it is going to be drained into the right atrium. From the right atrium, the blood is going to be transferred into the left ventricle. This is right ventricle. From right atrium, right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood is going to be transferred into the pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery. Here I am labeling it. Pulmonary artery. Okay. So the blood rich in carbon dioxide is brought into the right atrium by the help of superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, and from this right atrium the blood is going to be transferred into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle the blood is again transferred into the pulmonary artery. Now this pulmonary artery, where it sends the blood rich in carbon dioxide, it sends into the lungs. See, the blood is going to be transferred like this into the lungs. Now lungs function is to purify the blood. Okay, purify the blood, or the carbon dioxide, the blood rich in carbon dioxide is going to be, it's going to go into the lungs for oxygenation or purification. Again from the lungs it is brought into the left atrium by the help of pulmonary veins. Okay, this is how the circulation takes place in the heart, and this is how the function of the heart. This is how the heart functions. Okay, and see what would happen if carbon dioxide and oxygen, the blood rich in carbon dioxide and rich in oxygen mix together. Okay, we would not get energy. And we may suffer. That's why our heart is having two parts, right and left part, and it is having 4 chambers. Okay, so that the oxygenated blood and the carbon dioxide blood are going to be separated. Okay, now here is the diagram, and I explain you the functions of the heart. Okay, students, here you can see the valves. Okay, bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve. Bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve. Okay, when they close, we get love and dove sound. Okay, the sound of the heart is known as love dove sound. So how we are getting the sound is because of the closing of the valves. The valves, when they close, we get the sound. Here you can see bicuspid valve, and this is tricuspid valve, and here you can see semilunar valve. So here, when the oxygen rich blood is coming from the left auricle to the left ventricle, there is chance of backflow. There is chance that the blood may flow to the same direction. So who is responsible for the, now who is responsible to check the blood so that the blood should not go to the same side again, back side? So it is valve. valve. Here the valves that are present between left auricle and left ventricle is bicuspid valve. Okay, bicuspid valve. And the valve that is present between right auricle and right ventricle is tricuspid valve. Okay, see here, valves are somewhat like this. When the blood comes, okay, they are going to close. They are going to close, and when they close, we get love. Okay, love and dove sound. Love dove sound. Okay, here when the blood comes towards this direction, this valve is going to close, and when the blood comes this direction, this valve is going to close. Okay, and their closing generates love dove sound. Their closing generates love dove sound. Okay, and there is chance when the blood from the left ventricle is going to the aorta, there is chance that the blood may come back. Okay, so in order to check the backflow of the blood, here we can see a semilunar valve is present. It closes. It will not let the blood to come to the same direction again. Okay, same direction back. So backflow of the blood is checked here by the semilunar valve, and here also is the semilunar valve, which is going to check the backflow of the blood. Okay, I hope you have understood the functioning of the heart and structure of the heart. Okay, so in today's class I have explained about the functioning of the heart. In next class we are going to discuss some more details. Thank you, children.